अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में पीरा एक्ट 2024 से रिलेटेड जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन है सारी डिस्कस करेंगे। इंशाल्लाह ये वीडियो आपको पेपर में बहुत हेल्प करेगी। तो बगैर टाइम को वेस्ट किए हम इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले हमारे पास एक्ट का जो नेम है पीरा। पीरा से क्या बनता है? पंजाब इन्फोर्समेंट एंड रेगुलेशन एक्ट 2024। अब पीरा एक्ट जो है वो पास कब हुआ? बाय दी पंजाब असम्बली 11 अक्टूबर 2024 को। गवर्नर ऑफ द पंजाब असेंटेड एक्ट 16 अक्टूबर 2024 एंड एक्ट पब्लिश्ड इन द एक्ट ऑन 17 अक्टूबर 2024। इसी डेट को इसे गैजेट में भी पब्लिश किया गया और इस एक्ट को अमली तौर पर काम में कब लाया गया? 17 अक्टूबर 2024 को। तो इन स्टेटमेंट्स को आपने एग्जैक्ट इसी तरह से याद रखना है और इन डेट्स को भी इसी तरह से याद रखना है कि पंजाब असम्बली ने कब पास किया, गवर्नर ने मंजूरी कब दी और इस पर अमल कब से स्टार्ट हुआ। टोटल चैप्टर्स इसके कितने हैं? 18 हैं। टोटल सेक्शंस इसके 82 हैं। अच्छा, अब हम इसके चैप्टर्स को डिस्कस कर लेते हैं और इसको याद करने की एक ट्रिक आप पढ़ लें। पीपल ईट डिलीशियस हॉट एग्स एंड पोटैटोज़। पी से पीपल, ई से ईट, डी से डिलीशियस, एच से हॉट, ई से एग्स, ए से एंड और इसी तरह से आगे जो चलते जा रहे हैं पोटैटोज़। तो आपने ये स्टेटमेंट याद रख लेनी है और इसी लिहाज से जिन चैप्टर्स को पूछा जाए पेपर में तो आपने इस ट्रिक से वहाँ पर एमसीक्यूज़ को सॉल्व करना है। इन पिकनिक पीपल ऑफन चूज़ जूसी एग्स एंड क्रिस्पी फ्रेश मैंगोज़। इस पूरी स्टेटमेंट को आप रट्टा लगा लें, ठीक है। फर्स्ट चैप्टर प्रीलिमिनरी है। सेकंड इस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ द पंजाब इन्फोर्समेंट एंड रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी है। थर्ड डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन्फोर्समेंट एंड रेगुलेटरी बोर्ड है। फोर्थ चैप्टर हेयरिंग ऑफिसर। फिफ्थ इस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ द इन्फोर्समेंट स्टेशंस। सिक्स चैप्टर अरेस्ट से रिलेटेड है। सेवन्थ चैप्टर पब्लिक नॉइसेंस एंड एनक्रोचमेंट्स। एट चैप्टर इशुएंस एंड डिलीवरी ऑफ नोटिस। नाइन्थ चैप्टर पेनल्टीज। टेंथ चैप्टर प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स। 11th चैप्टर ऑफेंसेस। 12th कंडक्ट ऑफ इंक्वायरी। 13th jurisdiction and procedure. 14th enforcement and regulatory coordination. 15th assistance to authority and whistleblower disclosure. 16th costs, rewards and refunds. 17th chapter finance, accounts and audit and 18th chapter is miscellaneous। तो आपने वो ट्रिक याद करके उसके अकॉर्डिंग इन चैप्टर्स को याद कर लेना है। तो उस तरह से आपको इनका पहला लेटर जो है वो याद रह जाएगा और एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करने में आपको आसानी रहेगी। व्हाट इज़ द पर्पस ऑफ द पंजाब इन्फोर्समेंट एंड रेगुलेशन एक्ट 2024? Establishing a provincial enforcement authority. When was the Punjab Enforcement and Regulation Act 2024 enacted? On 17th of October 2024. Which authority is established under the Punjab Enforcement and Regulation Act 2024? Punjab Enforcement and Regulatory Authority. The Punjab Enforcement and Regulation Act 2024 applies to which region? Whole of the Punjab. What is one of the key objectives of the Punjab Enforcement and Regulation Act 2024? Improve coordination between regulatory agencies. Under the Act, who is empowered to carry out proceedings and hearings? Authorized officers. What type of enforcement actions does the Act focus on? Administrative and non-judicial. How does the Act addresses jurisdictional overlaps in enforcement? By designating a lead regulator. Who has the authority to specify the commencement date of the Act? Government via Gazette notification. What is a major goal of the Act in terms of regulatory measures? Streamline regulatory measures. What is the official short title of this Act? Punjab Enforcement and Regulation Act 2024. To which area does the Punjab Enforcement and Regulation Act 2024 extend? Whole of Punjab. Who has the authority to notify the commencement date and application area of the Act? Government of Punjab. Which authority is established under Section 3 of the Act? Punjab Enforcement and Regulatory Authority. What does EPO stand for in the Act? Emergency Prohibition Order. What is the role of an authorized officer under this Act? To implement and enforce regulatory actions. Which entity is responsible for enforcement at the district level? District Enforcement and Regulatory Board. What does enforcement station refer to in the Act? A place declared by the government at the subdivision level. Which officer handles grievance redressal under the Act? Grievance Redressal Commissioner. What is the function of a hearing officer in the Act? To conduct hearings and impose enforcement costs. Who is classified as an illegal occupier under the Act? A person trespassing on state property. Which law governs the definition of district in the Act? Punjab Land Revenue Act 1967. What does the term public nuisance include under the Act? An illegal act causing annoyance or danger to the public. Who appoints the DG of the Public Enforcement and Regulatory Authority? Government of Punjab. Which section of the Act defines absolute order? Definitions under Section 2. Who is responsible for initiating an inquiry under the Act? Initiating Authority. Which officer is appointed to investigate offences under the Act? Investigation Officer. What is the role of a sergeant under the Act to conduct enforcement operations? What does scheduled laws refer to in the Act? Laws mentioned in the Act's schedule. Who is considered a whistleblower under the Act? A person disclosing violations in the public interest. Which section of the Act empowers the government to establish enforcement stations at the subdivision level? Section 20. Which authority is responsible for appointing the Grievance Redressal Commissioner? Punjab Enforcement and Regulatory Authority. Under the Act, an absolute order is issued in relation to which of the following? An Emergency Prohibition Order, EPO. What is the primary function of the District Enforcement and Regulatory Board under the Act? To enforce special laws and resolve jurisdictional issues. Under the Act, who has the authority to impose enforcement costs on offenders? Hearing officer. Which of the following is not included in the definition of public place under the Act? Private residential property. Which section of the Act deals with the appointment of the authorized officer? Section 10. What is the role of the selection panel under the Act to appoint enforcement officers? Which of the following best defines the term custodian of state property under the Act? Any officer responsible for protecting and managing state property. What happens if an illegal occupier continues to remain on state property after lease expiry? They are classified as an offender under the Act. Which department's secretary is not included as a member of authority? Education Department. Who has the power to delegate the chairperson's authority in the case of absence? Chief Minister. Which official calls a meeting of the authority on the chairperson's direction? DG, Director General. Which of the following is not a power of the authority to regulate international trade? What happens if there is an equality of votes in a decision by the authority? Chairperson has a casting vote. What is the role of hearing officer under the Act? Handling cases under the Act. Which department is responsible for managing price control and commodity regulations under the Act? Price Control and Commodities Management Act. Which of the following is not a function of the selection panel? Appointing independent members. For how long must a person remain out of public service before becoming an independent member? 6 months. What is the primary responsibility of the District Enforcement and Regulatory Boards under the authority? Implementing the enforcement mechanism. Chapter 2 Establishment of the Punjab Enforcement and Regulatory Authority. Number 1. Under which section is the Punjab Enforcement and Regulatory Authority established? Under Section 3. Where is the headquarters of PIRA located? It's located in Lahore. Who is the chairperson of the authority? Chief Minister, Punjab. Which official serves as the vice chairperson of the authority? Chief Secretary of Punjab. How many independent members are appointed to the authority? 4 independent members. Who nominates the 3 members of the Punjab Assembly to the authority? Chief Minister of Punjab. What is the tenure of independent members appointed to the authority? 3 years. Which panel is responsible for selecting independent members of the authority? Selection panel. How many members constitute the selection panel? 3. Which of the following is not a qualification for an independent member holding a public representative office? Which of the following disqualifies a person from being an independent member holding a government job in the past 6 months? Who appoints the Director General of the authority? Chief Minister of Punjab. What is the minimum rank required for the Director General? Basic Scale 19. Which of the following is not a function of the authority conducting elections in Punjab? What is the minimum quorum for an authority meeting? Half of total members. Who presides over the authority's meeting? In the absence of chairperson and vice chairperson, any member nominated by the chairperson. What is the main responsibility of the Director General? Implementing and enforcing the Act. Which of the following is not a function of the authority under the Act? Appointing independent members. What is the main purpose of the committees formed by the authority? Assisting in implementing the Act. Who is responsible for maintaining records of meetings and decisions of the authority? Director General. Authority hierarchy. Chief Minister of Punjab is the chairperson. Chief Secretary of Punjab is vice chairperson. अच्छा, ये जो हायरार्की है ना, ये किसके अकॉर्डिंग है? अकॉर्डिंग टू दी पीरा एक्ट 2024. फिर है सीनियर मेंबर बोर्ड ऑफ रेवेन्यू ऑफ पंजाब, ही इज़ द मेंबर. सेक्रेटरी होम डिपार्टमेंट मेंबर. प्रोविंशियल पुलिस ऑफिसर इज़ अ मेंबर. सेक्रेटरी फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट इज़ अ मेंबर. सेक्रेटरी सर्विसेज विंग एस एंड गैड इज़ अ मेंबर. Secretary Local Government and Community Development, Secretary Public Prosecution Department, and Secretary of Price Control and Commodities Management, all of these are members. 3 members of Punjab Assembly, including 1 female nominated by CM, are members. 4 independent members, including 1 female appointed on selection panel's recommendations, are also members. एंड डायरेक्टर जनरल इज़ अ मेंबर और अ सेक्रेटरी. अब हम डिस्ट्रिक्ट एनफोर्समेंट और रेगुलेटरी बोर्ड की हायरार्की देख लेते हैं, जिसमें जो डिप्टी कमिश्नर है वो चेयरपर्सन है. डिस्ट्रिक्ट पुलिस ऑफिसर मेंबर है. डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेड्स ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट्स ऑफ स्केड्यूल्ड लॉज ये मेंबर्स हैं. डिस्ट्रिक्ट पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर, डिस्ट्रिक्ट अटॉर्नी, एडिशनल डिप्टी कमिश्नर, एनी एक्सपर्ट टू ऑपरेट फ्रॉम पब्लिक और प्राइवेट सेक्टर्स ये मेंबर्स हैं. और जो एडिशनल डिप्टी कमिश्नर है वो मेंबर भी है और सेक्रेटरी भी है. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर डिस्ट्रिक्ट एनफोर्समेंट एंड रेगुलेटरी बोर्ड. हु इज़ द चेयरपर्सन ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट एनफोर्समेंट एंड रेगुलेटरी बोर्ड? डिप्टी कमिश्नर. वेयर इज़ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट एनफोर्समेंट एंड रेगुलेटरी बोर्ड हाउस्ड? डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेडक्वार्टर्स. Who serves as the secretary of the board? Additional deputy commissioner. What is the quorum for a meeting of the board? 1/2 of the total members. Who calls a meeting of the board on the direction of the chairperson? Secretary. How are the decisions of the board made? By the majority of members present and voting. In case of a tie in voting, who has the casting vote? The chairperson. What happens if there is a vacancy or defect in the constitution of the board? The board's decision remain valid. Who is responsible for maintaining the record of the board's minutes and decisions? Secretary. What function does the secretary not perform? Voting in meetings. What does What power does the board have under Section 14 to take necessary measures for implementing the Act? Which of the following is not a function of the board? Conducting elections. Who proposes or sanctions rewards for whistleblowers? The board. What power does the board have regarding budget estimates? It can recommend budget estimates to the authority. Who ensures the implementation of the Act at the district level? The chairperson of the board. What is the role of a chairperson in reviewing performance? Conducting performance reviews of enforcement stations. Under whose authority can the chairperson initiate an inquiry? His own authority. What type of complaints can the chairperson redress? Complaints against transgressions of employees. Who administers enforcement stations and their employees in the district? The chairperson. What can the board constitute for specific tasks? Committees. Who has the authority to constitute the district enforcement and regulatory board? The authority. How often does the board meet as determined by the authority? Which department heads are included as members of the board? District heads of departments of scheduled laws. What is the key function of the board under Section 14? Enforcing scheduled laws. What role does the board play in budget allocation? It submits budget recommendations to the authority. Who can be co-opted as a member of the board? Any expert from the public or private sector. How are board decisions made? By a simple majority vote. What is the function of committees formed by the board to assist in carrying out the purposes of the Act? Who monitors and ensures the implementation of the Act at the district level? The chairperson of the board. What power does the board have regarding rewards? It can propose or sanction rewards for exceptional efforts. Chapter 4. Hearing Officer. Who appoints or authorizes the hearing officer? The authority. What is the minimum basic scale required for the hearing officer? 17. Within how many days can an offender file a representation before the hearing officer? 30 days. Which of the following matters can be brought before the hearing officer? Sealing of premises and encroachments. What happens if a representation is unsuccessful? An additional fine may be imposed. What action can the hearing officer take regarding confiscated articles? Decide about their disposal. Which of the following is a power of the hearing officer? Conduct inquiries. What kind of relief can the hearing officer provide to an aggrieved person? Interim relief. Who may be summoned by the hearing officer? Any concerned person. What is the role of the hearing officer in relation to the enforcement station? Supervising, monitoring, and reviewing its progress. What factors does the hearing officer consider when deciding penalties? The gravity and duration of the offense. What is the function of audio-video recording during hearings? Ensuring transparency. Can the enforcement officer attend the hearing? Yes, but only if asked by the hearing officer. What type of evidence can be submitted during hearings? Both written and oral evidence. Under what conditions can fines be refunded if the representation is successful? Can documents be submitted electronically to the hearing officer? Yes, if prescribed. What is the status of Qanun-e-Shahadat 1984 in the hearing process? It does not apply. What action can the hearing officer take on public nuisance cases? Issue absolute orders. What is required for evidence recording under the Act? It must be taken on oath or affirmation. How does the hearing officer decide cases of repeat offenders? By considering habitual nature as a factor. Who can file a representation before the hearing officer? The offender or an aggrieved person. What is one of the main responsibilities of the hearing officer? Deciding representations on fines and enforcement actions. What can the hearing officer do if the fine imposed by the enforcement officer is deemed excessive? Refund or reduce the fine. What kind of reports can the hearing officer seek? Reports from the enforcement station. What authority does the hearing officer have regarding sealed premises order their unsealing or continuation of sealing. What action can the hearing officer take on encroachments? Issue removal orders. What role does the hearing officer play in disciplinary actions against enforcement employees? They can investigate complaints against enforcement employees. What happens if the offender fails to pay the additional fine imposed by the hearing officer? The fine is recovered as per the prescribed procedure. Who prescribes the procedure for filing representations and hearings? The authority. What can the hearing officer do if an enforcement officer proposes a fine exceeding pecuniary limit? Decide the final fine amount. Chapter 5, Establishment of Enforcement Stations. Who is responsible for establishing an enforcement station? Government. How many enforcement stations can be established per subdivision? As many as the government specifies. What is the minimum rank of subdivisional enforcement officer? BS 16. What type of identification shall enforcement station employees carry? ID cards or badges? What kind of vehicles shall be provided to enforcement stations? Marked vehicles and motorbikes. Who can request support or assistance from the Secretary of Board, the in charge of an enforcement station? Who is responsible for keeping records at an enforcement station? Subdivisional Enforcement Officer. What is the primary function of the Subdivisional Enforcement Officer? Managing the enforcement station and implementing the Act. Which of the following is not a function of the Subdivisional Enforcement Officer? Conducting judicial trials. The enforcement officer is responsible for conducting all field operations. The enforcement officer can inspect private property under what condition? Only after obtaining a magistrate's warrant. What type of force can an enforcement officer use during an operation? Reasonable force if obstructed. Who assigns the jurisdiction of an enforcement officer? Authority or authorized officer? What must an enforcement officer do after seizing an item? List it in the register and issue a receipt. What additional equipment must an enforcement officer wear? Body camera. Who has the power to make arrests under the Act? Subdivisional enforcement officer, and investigation officer, all of the above. What does an investigation officer primarily do? Conduct inquiries and collect evidence. What is required before searching a person suspected of a crime? Reasonable suspicion. How must seized items be documented? Listed in a prescribed register. What is an enforcement squad composed of? A mix of various enforcement personnel. Who is responsible for prosecuting offenders under this Act? A prosecutor. The prosecutor is appointed by the Public Prosecution Department. What is one of the duties of an investigation officer? Collecting evidence through modern devices. What is the main duty of the sergeants? To assist in enforcement activities. What kind of weapons do sergeants carry as prescribed under the rules? Who supervises the enforcement squad? The authority. What is the one of the main responsibilities of the enforcement officer? Enforcing laws specified in the schedule. What must an enforcement officer do when arresting a person? Inform the subdivisional enforcement officer. What is the role of the secretary of the board in enforcement? Approving requisitions for support. What action is required when an enforcement officer issues a fine? It must be reported in the prescribed records. Chapter 6, Power to Arrest. Who has the power to arrest under the Act? Subdivisional enforcement officer, and the investigation officer. Under what condition can an officer arrest a person? If they are involved in an offense under the Act or scheduled laws. If a reasonable reference is sent by the department against a person, what action can be taken? The person may be arrested. A person may be arrested if credible information or reasonable suspicion exists regarding their involvement in an offense. What type of possession may lead to an arrest? Any article suspected to be linked with the commission of an offense. A person can be arrested if they obstruct an enforcement officer in performing their duty. What action may lead to an immediate arrest, escaping or attempting to escape from lawful custody? If a person was served an order but refused to follow it, what action can be taken? They may be arrested. Who is responsible for maintaining the arrest record? Subdivisional enforcement officer. Arrest records must be reported to the magistrate and the hearing officer.